Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make a long-distance relationship work. Long-distance relationships can be challenging, but with the right mindset and effort, they can be just as successful as any other relationship. Here are a few tips to help you navigate your long-distance relationship with ease. 1. Communication is key. Schedule regular video calls and make an effort to stay connected every day. 2. Trust is essential. You and your partner need to trust each other and avoid checking in excessively. 3. Plan visits and set goals. Having a set timeline for visits and a clear plan for the future can help bring you closer together. 4. Create shared experiences. Find ways to connect and share experiences, even if you're far apart. This could mean watching the same movie, reading the same book, or cooking the same meal together over video call. 5. Be supportive. Your partner may feel lonely or homesick, so make sure you're there to support and encourage them. Remember, a long-distance relationship requires effort and patience, but with the right mindset and approach, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. So keep these tips in mind and don't give up. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips for making a long-distance relationship work, be sure to share them in the comments below.